Paul here from Miniature Battles. When I first started the website, I did mention that I'd be doing different things to put a different spin on the gaming site. In front of you there is a Turbogon from Games Workshop 40K and Wolflayer's Army Builder list off to the left side, and the right side some math I did. I don't do Math Hammer, don't ask. It wasn't scientific. Basically, I was trying to figure out how to make the Tyranids more competitive since the rulebook came out, and a lot of people have been complaining about it. And through a couple of trial and error things, they're not as strong as they were. I would definitely agree with that. So one of the things being, since I want to get it more of a shooty army, I thought, well, how can we make it more of a swarm army? And I came up with using the Turbogon idea as to making a Super Pooper, as it were. A little bit bigger, maybe an elite choice or an escalation or an apocalypse piece, but at any rate it would be a stronger piece. So our super duper Turbogon would have weapons skill of 4, ballistic skill of 4, strength of 8, a toughness of 7, a wounds total would be 7, an initiative would be attacking at a 1, and attacks would be a 4 with a leadership of 10, a save of 3. Base costs 400 to 500 points. Or whatever, or 300, and then work your way up. All the stuff that's available to the Turbogon will be available to the new model, as well as the new model would be able to create terror or fear, automatic pinning test type thing, make it a Psyker level 2. And the Turbogons would spawn at a 66 rate. So with that, you're going to get, if you're rolling doubles, I mean, you're almost guaranteed to roll double something, so the rules for that spawn would have to change. So like the very first turn, you would need, say, 4 of the same number dice to spit so it can't spawn anymore. And then every subsequent turn after, like turns 2 and 3, for example, would be 3 of the same number on a dice, and then every turn after that would be 2. That way you get a little bit more bang for the points that you're spending on it. Synapse range would be 18 unless it doesn't move, and then it would bounce out to 24, much like concentration. And that's basically it. Other than the other thing was having 2 sets of Crushing Claws or Scything Talons available to it as an extra kind of a bonus type of thing. So instead of getting 1 set, you would get 2 sets. I don't know how that would change some of the other stuff because you reroll and all that stuff, but it sounded good. Then we went over here and did some math, and the math was just taking dice at random and rolling them. I did it 10 times based on if it was the first turn, second turn, third turn of each game. So I did 10 mock games, if you will. Nothing scientific, so like I said, don't get all excited. You want to try and figure it out, do Math Hammer, go for it, because I don't know how and I don't care to. But I didn't spawn any more than 87 Gaunts. And that was in 4 turns. I never got past turn 4 in any of the rolls things that I did. And there was one time where I didn't get out of the first turn, which only spawned 22 because I rolled 4 3s. But the average was 3 turns, and 60 on average come out with the total number of Gaunts that we have. So, with that being said, this is Paul from Miniature Battles. If you have any way to change this or want to make it more competitive or a little bit cooler or whatever, leave a comment in the bottom of the section at the YouTube page if you're on there, or you can go to the website and send an email, and then I'll put it out in a different video. If you are on the YouTube website, please go to our website. It's miniaturebattles.com. This is Paul from Miniature Battles saying there's your Super Pooper, and have a good day.